How to increase your laptop battery life. Laptop or PC is an important gadget for full-time work at present. Laptops or notebooks are one of our favorite things to carry time. Laptop battery backup provides good service, but if for some reason your laptop battery backup does not provide good service, then there are some problems. Many people do not know some simple tips that how to increase your laptop battery life. Increase your laptop battery life. In this article, we will learn how to increase laptop battery life or backup. Here is very simple rule is given below. Reduce screen brightness. Brightness draws much more charge. If you are facing this problem, then reduce your screen brightness. One of the best ways to get laptop battery backup is to reduce the brightness of the screen. We know that EXPANSCAPE introduces 7 displays laptop. Lowering the screen brightness increases the life of the laptop. To do, settings greater than system greater than display. Battery saver mode on. Turn on the battery saver for laptop battery backup. If you activate this mode, all of your notification apps from running in the background are disabled. Use SSD storage. If you notice your laptop battery is swollen or deformed, then check that your PC have not any SSD storage. SSD storage works faster than a normal hard disk. It consumes less power. So even if you replace the laptop's hard disk with SSD, you can increase its performance and battery backup. Upgrade your RAM on PC. Turn off unused features. Uninstall unnecessary software, apps on your laptop to increase laptop battery backup. When you do not need laptop Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and graphics cards, then turn off them. Using software for graphics processing or high-definition video accelerates the loss of capacity of battery, so remove peripherals when not in use. If the laptop battery does not increase even after backup, you need to change the battery. No matter how many tips or tricks you follow, if your laptop battery has low capacity, there is no point in expecting long-term backup from it. If you want to take care of the battery, never use more than 80% of the battery of mobile or laptop. You have to make sure that your laptop doesn't get too hot. Moreover, notice on your cooling fan that is working properly. So keep eye on your laptop and try to find out your problem.